Hello everyone. In the last video I have demonstrated how to record a micro. In this particular video I'm coming up with a very interesting thing for you where you can split your data into multiple workbooks. Yes, if I have given a data, whatever number of lines are there, whatever number of columns are there, I can split that data into multiple workbooks. Let's see how. I have taken some figures up to 10 rows over here for demonstration purpose. This is assuming that this data is of TDS. So in the column A there are branch numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there is a section number 192, 194C, 194H and 194J. Then payee, PAN number, amount paid and TDS. I have this data. You can use a user, whatever number of columns, rows you wanted to apply to, this tool will work for you. Let's see how this tool works. Now here I wanted to apply, I want a data in workbook, say according to the section number. Whatever number of entries belongs to section 192 shall be kept in one workbook. Later on, whatever number of entries belongs to section 194C shall be kept in one workbook, and so on. So how this works for you? So I have this data. Let's go ahead with checking out the tool. Here is the tool. This will be the opening page of the tool. Now you have to read all the instructions over here. Once you read and understand, just click here and say agree. So once you agree, this data and setting tab will be opened. Now second step is to copy paste your data. While copying and pasting the data, you need to keep in mind whatever filter you want to apply, that those values shall be pasted in this B column. Over here you should paste them. So I have all the headers here. You can change them according to your preference, and this header will be used in the workbook which will be created. Now taking the data from the demo data, now I'm pasting with values. I'm using paste special with values. So I missed out the branch number. Okay, this is how the data will look like. So let's check out how this works. Now once you're done with the copy pasting work, come down to the settings tab. Over here, this is a very simple tab. Here in front of path, you need to give the path of the folder where you want to keep the new files, whatever will be generated. So I'm taking a new path over here. I'll create one folder here, say TDS, and check out, here is nothing right now. Copying that path and pasting over here. So let's check out how, I'll show you how these files are created. Now we are ready to create our data, split our data. Now click on this button, split data. Now you can see on the right side of the screen the files are created, and when you are done, the message pop-up will come, done. That's it. Whatever number of rows are there, you can do with this. Almost 55,000 rows I have tried with, and the results were tremendous, where accurate results were there. So let's check out whether the results are okay or not. Here I'll filter the data according to section number. Now there are 4 records. See, all those records are being created in this file. all the records are copy pasted here. So that's awesome. We are done with whatever number you want to take, you can use for. Again, I'll check this file. Now I want to change the filter. If I want to create a data branch wise, what will happen? Let's see. I'll clear out the data in the tool. Again, I'll go to the basic data. We'll change columns. Now, what files I am going to create is branch wise. Again, selecting the data, we'll copy paste into tool, paste special values. I'll change the headings. Let's see what happens. Keeping the same path over here given earlier, I'll check. Let's check out what happens here. There are 4 files created earlier. Now let's see, branch 1, 2, 3, 4 files should be created here. Oh. Here are the files created. That's it. Now we can again check this. We'll check this. Say I'm taking branch number 3. There should be 2 records in workbook here, and here are they. That's it. You can use this tool for whatever data you wanted to apply. I am repeating the thing. You can download the tool from the link given below. This file is available over there. I hope you like this video. This will be helpful for you.